This video showcases a few examples of smart learning content designed to help effectively teach the Java programming language. These have been deployed through the Mastery Grids interface, developed by the PAWS Lab out of the University of Pittsburgh. The first problem we'll look at is an animated example, an interactive visualization that will render a block of code and demonstrate the flow of logic and the state of memory each step of the way. As students progress through the animation, the variables and operations enter an evaluation area to show precisely what happens when a line is executed. At the bottom, near the user's controls, a textual description of the particular moment accompanies each event, helping to ensure that nothing is left unclear until the code completes and the final answer is displayed. Tracing problems are simple fill-in-the-blank exercises to test understanding of runtime behavior. Incorrect answers are met with corrected solutions, and while students can try again as much as they'd like, certain values may be swapped out in subsequent attempts. Programming examples, similar to animated ones, don't require solutions. They present a problem with a working code example. Key lines can be interrogated to understand their function and justification within the code, with some lines even offering an additional details button to help gain a deeper understanding. Moving now to more active learning, programming challenges present a problem of critical lines of code absent. A bank of similar options is provided, testing a student's understanding of both the prompt's requirements and the nuances of Java. By selecting two wrong answers, I can first demonstrate the Show Me Hint button, which explicitly identifies my mistake, missing a floating point number, and explains why it's required. Correcting this, and trying again, will reveal an error in the second block of code. Now I can click Tell Me What's Wrong to display an input example, my flawed output, and the expected output. These assistive features guide struggling students to the solution, while experienced students can solve it quickly and move on. Finally, coding problems are the last example covered in this video. This problem type challenges the user to write code independently. To again demonstrate what happens when a student makes a mistake, I'll calculate the area of a rectangle instead of the perimeter that the prompt has requested. Submitting this, I would see any compilation errors, but assuming the code compiles, I'll instead be met with a slate of test cases, all of which I've failed. I can see my output values far exceed what's expected, so I'll correct my code, resubmit, and be met with full marks across the board. Mastery Grids provides diverse and effective learning experiences across key Java concepts. Thank you very much for your time, and please reach out if you'd be interested in learning more.